Mastering the phrase, tough out. Hey language learners, ever come across phrases in English that sound a bit puzzling at first? Today, we're diving deep into one such phrase, tough out. Stick with us, and by the end, you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. The phrase, tough out, is an idiomatic expression that means to endure or persevere through a difficult situation or period, often by showing resilience or determination. It suggests the idea of being strong, determined, and not giving up, even when things get hard. Example, she had a really hard time in her first year of university, but she decided to tough it out and now she's thriving. In this instance, the person faced challenges during her first year but chose to persevere rather than quitting. To better understand the phrase, let's break it down. Tough. In this context, it's used as an adjective and means strong or resilient. Out. This preposition suggests going through a process or period from start to finish. So, when combined, tough out implies that one is remaining strong or resilient throughout a challenging situation. Tough out can be used in various contexts, both casual and formal. Here are a couple more examples. 1. Health. He's been sick for a week, but he's trying to tough it out without going to the doctor. 2. Work. The project was demanding, but our team toughed it out and delivered on time. A common mistake learners make is confusing tough out with toughen up. While both involve resilience, toughen up means to become stronger or more resilient, often as a response to someone suggesting you're too sensitive. Correct. You need to toughen up if you want to survive in this industry. Incorrect. You need to tough out if you want to survive in this industry. Remember, tough out involves enduring a specific challenging situation, while toughen up is about becoming more resilient in general. So, there you have it. The phrase, tough out, is a powerful expression about perseverance and resilience. Next time you face a challenge, remember this phrase and remind yourself to tough it out. We hope you found this video informative, and as always, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.